So welcome to today's class. So today's class is going to be very brief. I want to show you something very, very important, right? So yesterday we began and concluded with creating a full-fledged video with AI, 100% AI. Then we discovered that the video had watermark, right? So watermark from the site that we use in creating the video, and then watermark from the story block that was used in creating the video. So today we're going to be removing every logo from the video, so you can use the video for whatever purpose you want to use it for. So to do that, come to this, go on your browser and then type online video quota, then choose the first one, right? This one that has a purple color, so choose it, online video quota. So let's go. So what this site does is that it's going to remove every logo, every watermark that is on the video. So you can use the video, just like I say, you can use the video for whatever purpose you want to use it for. So all you have to do is to open your file and then import the video. The video that you have, the video that you did yesterday, I want to import it to this platform, right? So let's go. So this is the video we did yesterday. So what you need to do here is click on the play button down here.
This is why you need to try authentic African cuisine.
Right, so now identify where the logos are appearing, right? And identify where the watermarks are appearing. So what you need to do is to, once you click on your screen, right, you enlarge this, then take it to where you find your watermark, right? Take it to where you find your watermark and then place it there. It's as simple as ABC, right? It's as simple as that. So since it has been placed there, what is going to happen is that it's going to mask or remove this watermark so that you can have your video as though there was no watermark there before now. So we are done like this, right? So I chose, don't forget what I chose, right? I chose remove logo, then I hit play so that I can see where the watermark is appearing. And then I dragged my cursor and enlarge it to cover where this watermark is appearing. And all I have to do is to click on save, right? So if I click on save here, you see, it's going to upload, and once it's done upload, it's going to encode, and once the encoding is done, you can then download it to your phone, so you can use it for whatever purpose you want to use it for. So let's give it time to upload and then encode, and so we can use it for the purpose for which you want to use it for, okay? Alright, so our video is ready. Let's play it and see.
Right, and you're hooked. Step into our vibrant restaurant where every dish tells a story. From the spicy heat of West African jollof rice to the savory, slow-cooked goodness of East African stews, we've got the whole continent on a plate. Imagine sinking your teeth.
Can you see that the watermark that was at the extreme top, the watermark is gone. So this is how to do it, right? So whenever you're done creating a video with the video platform, you can bring it to this other platform and then take away the watermark. So it will be, so you can use it for whatever purpose you want to use it for. You want to use it for your marketing campaigns. You can create marketing videos from whatever niche, as far as your mind can perceive, as far as your mind can really imagine. You can bring it to life with AI, right? So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I really hope you are learning. So I'll see you in class tomorrow.